Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Shoutout po pala kay Sir Adrian ng Isabela, sir. Welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Ito na po ang inyong unit, the WE-M92 by made in Taiwan. So comes with green gas pop dyno number 12. Kasama na sa unit, isang tangke. At may kasama na rin siyang bala, 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots, airsoft BBs. At ito yung unit, WE brand, gas Paul metal. This one is M92 model, made in Taiwan. Ayan, made in Taiwan. This is standard version, color black. Buksan na natin. May kasama po siyang owner's manual. Scan nyo lang yung code para sa instruction manual tsaka sa explosion ng parts. Metal magazine, 24 rounder. Ayan. At yung unit. Ayan. M92 by WE. And marking sa grip. Ayan, may mga factory oil pa po. Made in Taiwan. Ayan. May thread yung barrel niya po. Pwede po kayong maglagay dito ng silencer or tracer units. Ayan. Paul metal po siya by WE. Metal slide, metal frame. Meron po siyang manual safety. Ayan. Manual safety, pag nakababa yung safety, hindi yan puputok. Safety off. Ayan. Single and double action po siya. Okay, 24 rounder. Ngayon, lagyan natin siya ng gas. Paglalagay ng gas, sir, 3 segundo lamang. Ito yung inlet valve. Ito naman yung outlet valve. Dito tayo maglalagay sa inlet valve. Then press 1, 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay. Ngayon, iko-chrono natin, sir, yung unit mo. Titingnan natin kung ilang EPS, no? Testing natin. Chronograph. Lagyan lang natin ng bala. So, lalagyan ko lang muna, sir, ng 3 bala para sa chronograph. Para makita rin natin kung mag-open chamber. Three shots. Okay, testing. Chronograph testing. Again, this is the M92 unit of Sir Adrian ng Isabela. This is the M92 by WE, made in Taiwan. Testing. Firing. 356.5. 356.5 EPS. Isa pa. 373.2. 373.2. One more, last. 373.2. Malakas, ha? And then, dahil 3 bala lang yung nilagay natin, nag-open chamber na siya. Ayan, open chamber po ang tawag dyan. So, yun po yung open chamber na tinatawag kapag wala ng bala. So, kapag wala ng bala, open chamber po. Nag-open chamber, ang gawin nyo po, release nyo lang yung mag, press nyo yung mag-release, stop mag-release. Tapos, hatakin nyo lang po yung slide. Then, bitaw. Ayan. So, ngayon, proceed tayo sa shooting test. Okay, Sir Adrian of Isabela, testing ng inyong unit, the WE M92, WE M92. Semi-automatic gas blowback airsoft pistol. Testing. Firing. Okay, ubusin natin yung bala hanggang sa mag-open chamber. Okay, open chamber. Hammer down. Hammer down. Mag-release. Press mo lang yung mag-release para ma-release mo yung magazine and then hatak mo lang to. Then hammer down. Okay, Sir Adrian of Isabela, kung mayroon pa pong question regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and God bless.